Zorin OS 17.2, now available with enhanced features and performance. Zorin OS 17.2 is now ready for download, offering users a range of improvements designed to enhance usability and customization. This release builds upon the Zorin OS 17 series, which is based on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and is being touted as one of the most customizable and feature-rich versions yet. What's new? The Zorin Appearance tool receives significant updates, making personalization easier than ever. Users can now change the cursor theme directly in the Appearance app, install third-party themes with a simple process, access a guide to customize apps using libadwaita, aided by a tailored patch for Zorin OS 17. Additionally, the tool introduces a Windows section to tweak window behavior, such as title bar settings and focus movement, a toggle to enable or disable overlay scrollbars in the interface panel, key updates in Zorin OS 17.2, LibreOffice 24.8 for productivity improvements, Linux kernel 6.8 from the Ubuntu 24.04, hardware enablement stack for better hardware compatibility, updated software and drivers for enhanced performance, editions and download options. Zorin OS 17.2 comes in two main editions. Zorin OS Pro, a premium version that includes additional software, advanced desktop layouts, and access to support. It's available for a small fee, $50, to support development. Zorin OS Core, a streamlined free version with essential features designed for everyday use. Existing users of Zorin OS 17 or 17.1 can upgrade to 17.2 through the software updater. New users can download the latest version from the official Zorin OS website. Zorin OS 17.2 brings a polished, user-friendly experience, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced Linux users. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ask a Linux channel.